Folks, welcome back. In this video, we'll learn how to enable AWS Systems Manager so that you can run shell script in multiple EC2 instances. It has 4 steps to follow. Step number 1, we will create an IAM role with the policy Amazon EC2 role for SSM, and we launch 2 EC2 instances using launch template with this role attached. And number 3, we will access these EC2 instances using AWS Systems Manager. And finally, we will run the shell script and we will see our web pages on the EC2 instances. Now let's make our hands dirty. Let's get into the AWS console. I am on AWS console and I am on IAM. So I have already a role created with this policy Amazon EC2 role for SSM. So I just wanted to show you that my EC2, this is my EC2 role for SSM. I already created with this. Okay, now we are good to there. Now let's get into our EC2. Second step is launch EC2 instances. So I'm going to Singapore region and then launch template. I have already template for my EC2 instances launch template. And if you look at this, so we have storage, we have resource tags, and we have advanced details, that is what. So everything looks good, and then we can just go ahead and then launch the EC2 instance, 2 EC2 instances from this template. So we will be launching 2 EC2 instances, and Linux 2 we are launching T2 micro. There is no any key pair, and then web server security group, and then advanced details. This is the where we gave our IAM role, my EC2 role for SSM, and that's all. So view launch template. So this part is done. Now there are 2 EC2 instances are coming up. We will just name them nicely. So web server 1 and 2 web servers, basically web server 2. So we have 2 EC2 instances which are up and running. So just wait for a couple of minutes, then we can go to Systems Manager in the meantime. Here we have Systems Manager. And once these instances are up and running, we can see them here under Managed Instances, right? So here under Managed Instances. So now these 2 are coming here because of that role, IAM role, which we attached. Now just wait for once this test check is complete. So in the meantime, we can go and run the shell command towards that run command. And then here you can give a policy run shell. Okay. Sorry. So it just came, right? AWS run. We'll just look for run shell script. So this is the policy we need to attach here, and then the final step is this one. We are running this shell script here. Okay. And if you want, you can give the choose instances manually, so both the servers, web server and web server 2. So we'll just go and check whether these instances are really up and running. Both are up and running. Great. Now so we can choose a bucket here in case you want to look for the the logs, the shell script logs for both pass or fail conditions. So I'm giving my bucket name, my data source bucket, some existing bucket name, and then I'm going So all we provided here is our shell script. This is what we are going to run. So here we are doing update, install Apache. We are starting the Apache, we are enabling the Apache, and then we are echoing this particular text into welcome.html. And now let me run this. So now the command execution is in progress. We'll wait for a couple of minutes. Once it completes, in the meantime, we'll go to our web servers and then see when these servers, when the execution is complete, we can go and check our code there. Okay. So still it's going on. You can see command description. This is the command description, command parameters. Here you can see what all the parameters we have sent. Still it's going on. Wait for a minute. So if you look at this, delivery timeout is 600 seconds, execution timeout is 3600. Okay, it's almost 6 minutes. So wait for, it's successful. Now let's see our code really executed or not. So if I go here, and this is the welcome.html page, welcome.html. See, welcome to session, run shell script in multiple EC2 instance using SSM. See how our code successfully executed, and we can see the results. Let's see the other instance as well. So let's go to the web server 1 and then see whether we are getting the same response from here as well. So this one is the page we have is welcome.html. That's all. Thank you folks in listening to my video, and please subscribe to my video, and if you like it, give thumbs up, and we'll see you in next video. Thank you so much and appreciate it.